Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a hair mask that you can make with cornstarch. I didn't know that, and I tried it out and I was like, why didn't I know this? Why didn't anybody tell me this? Like, come on guys. But anyways, it is so simple and easy to make, and you will definitely love it. Just applying it on your hair already is it's just so nice. It's just so relaxing, and the after results are really nice. So basically, cornstarch has vitamins A, B, and C. It has iron, zinc, potassium. You need all of those types of things, so it's doing good things to your hair. But go ahead and mix it up with your oil. I used olive oil in my video, but you are free to use any other oil. Like, you can use black Jamaican castor oil, you can use coconut oil. I would have loved to use black Jamaican castor oil, but I have run out, so I didn't use that. I used olive oil. But what I did to mine, I rinsed it out after like 2 hours, and then only 2 days after did I go ahead and shampoo my hair. I don't know why, but I did it and it was nice. But you can go ahead and shampoo your hair on the same day. It's okay. It helps remove frizz, so your hair will actually like be frizz free for a while, and it helps you loosen up your curl pattern. Like, for example, me, who has very kinky coily hair, it like loosened it up, and I was like, wow, I like this. Why didn't I think of this? It is so good. It leaves your hair nice and smooth and shiny. So it's definitely a try. I hope you guys try it out at home. It's just fun. It's a nice way to do something. I'm just still upset at the fact that I didn't know about this, you guys. I hope you guys try it out and it works out for your hair. Let me know what you guys added more into it. Don't be like limited. Go crazy. Adding some things there. Adding some avocado. I'm just kidding. Add whatever you guys want, but basically this is what I did, and it really does help your hair. Cornstarch is actually a good thing for your hair. Who knew? And did you know you can use it as a dry shampoo? Nope. I didn't. But anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching. See the video to see how I did it and see the hair. Ooh. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So what you're going to need for this is, of course, your cornstarch, olive oil, and some conditioner, and of course your water. Let's get started. Go ahead and mix the cornstarch with the water and keep stirring. Don't stop stirring so you don't get lumps, and just mix it up and it should turn into that. Once it's turned into that, take it off the stove, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to mix our conditioner and mix it up before you add in your olive oil. You can also put some other, like, how can I say this, like peppermint oil and things like that, just to give it a nice smell, because not everybody likes the smell of olive oil. I for one don't like it at all, but we gotta do what we gotta do for the hair. So yeah, so just keep mixing everything up, and once it's done, take it back onto the stove and keep mixing for 1 minute. If you find that your mixture becomes way too thick, go ahead and add a little bit of water. Not too much guys, because you don't want it to be watery. You want it to be really nice and smooth. Go ahead and pour out your mixture into a bowl and let it just cool down for a bit before applying it to your hair. It should look a little bit like this. It looks so creamy and yummy. Why does it look like food? So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this onto my hair. I applied it into sections, and you guys, I think I overused it. I like put so much of it, it wasn't even funny, but I just liked it. It just felt like butter on my hair. It felt so smooth and so relaxing. It just felt like a hair mask that I bought at the store. I never thought that you could actually make a hair mask using cornstarch. Did I say face mask in the other part? I bet I did. But anyways, I went ahead and applied it to the rest of my head, and I put a plastic on and a shower cap, and I let it sit for at least 2 hours, and then I went and rinsed it off. And then after like 2 days, I shampooed my hair because I didn't want to shampoo it on the other day. I just felt like it would just take everything away. I don't know, am I the only one who does that? But anyways, it was so good. So you can go ahead and leave it like for 40 minutes and then just shampoo it off. There is no problem. Can you guys just see how the hair looks? It looks so nice and healthy. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure to try it out. Bye. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we're about to go get our hair done.